But there we go. There's Stranger Things on the screen in the Jeep. Let's go ahead and jump into YouTube. I'm pleasantly surprised. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day as always. In today's video, we are unboxing and reviewing the Autolinkr Plus wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. So I've done a couple of videos like these in the past, and they were gracious enough to send me out one of these to try out. This is the Autolinkr Pro version. And so if your car comes with wired only Android Auto or wireless, you could still use this for other purposes too, but Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your vehicle, you can hook one of these up and it will turn it to wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. But the other benefits are you also get extra apps like YouTube and Netflix and everything else that will play right on your car radio and dash, and so you can watch videos and other apps. You can load all kinds of stuff in here. So we're gonna get it out the box, see what comes in the kit, plug it up, show you all the features, and see how it performs. Does it have any lag? Does it work very well? And see how the Android Auto and the maps, navigation, everything works. So again, huge thank you to Autolinkr for sending us this out. If you want to subscribe to follow along on the channel with more stuff like this, please do so. Leave the video a thumbs up if you found it entertaining or informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Try to answer everybody's questions if I can. So let's go ahead and jump to it and show you what we got. So taking a look at our box here, you can see we can stream any app on your car screen. So we've got fast connection, Bluetooth, plug and play, HD video support, and all kinds of apps and information down here at the bottom. So we're going to test this out. But we open up the box, we've got our handy dandy user manual here. It is a little bit small on the type, so you may have to get out your spectacles or your bifocals or magnifying glass, but I do appreciate that they actually include a physical manual. So many people and places nowadays just give you a QR code to scan, and so I do appreciate that there's an actual physical manual included in the box. We've got our adapter, of course, and we've got this actually comes with a card reader slot as well. So if you have physical media, or excuse me, a physical disc, and you want to add on your own media, MP3 or video files, you can plug that into this adapter too and access them from there. Of course, we've got our USB-C slot, if we can get it to focus there. And then in the kit itself, we've got our regular USB connector here with a USB-C for power, and then if your vehicle comes with a USB-C slot already, you've got an adapter for that as well. So pretty straightforward, not a lot of extra in there that you don't need, and now we can plug it up. We are installing in a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 8.4 Uconnect system. We've got our USB slots down here at the bottom. We've already got an MP3 USB, and so we'll use our other slot here to hook it up. So let's get it all plugged up and see what we got. All right, so we got our USB-C plugged into the adapter, and we're going to plug right in here. And then we're going to take a look and see kind of about the time frame to plug it all up and see when it will pick up. On here we should see our phone icon over here on the side. Now again, this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm using maybe a little bit older phone model, a 20 or excuse me, I don't know the age. It's a S21 Ultra Samsung, and so you can see it picked it up pretty quick for the first plug-in, and there we are, we're up and running. So you can see we've got our home button and our music, videos. So again, if you wanted to use this for physical media on the drive itself, phone calls, so Bluetooth going through that if you needed it. We've got our CarPlay and Android Auto front and center. So again, we're not Apple people. Don't boo. Don't leave a thumbs down. We're Android Auto, and then but now you can customize your screen. You've got music and everything up here on the top. You've got your Bluetooth music. You can go into settings. You can even customize the screen and add your own shortcuts to it. And you've got your Netflix and YouTube. So let's get it connected to the Wi-Fi. You can either connect it to a Wi-Fi network, or of course you would probably want to connect it to your Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone to get the most benefit and use out of it. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and then let's see how it works and the lag and the resolution and everything. All right, so we got it hooked to our wireless network now. So we're going to test out some of the features. Let's go ahead and jump into YouTube. I tested out, searched up my channel here. There's our channel home page. We can scroll down and we can click right on the channel video, and it should go ahead and sync up to it. Of course, we've got an ad we got to watch, as always. That's okay. Let's hit skip. And there we are. And if we go here, let's see if we can go to full screen and check that out. So there's our channel trailer video of some of the stuff we've been up to on the channel, and you can hear it through the car speakers, full screen. Still got all your regular controls down here at the bottom, and looks good and sounds great to me. So that's streaming and working really well. And we can click back on it and get back out of full screen. And if we want to jump back to home, the video is still playing in the bottom corner if you want to keep it there, and you've got access to everything again. I'll turn the volume down, and then we can click on it just like you would on your phone and close it out. So that works very seamless, just like you would expect it to. No lag whatsoever. Pulled straight off the Wi-Fi, started playing it. You could search everything. So let's check out Netflix and see what we have there. All right, so I'm signed into Netflix now, so we can go ahead and click on Netflix. It'll bring you right in. Once you get signed up, shows you all your user accounts just like you would expect it to if you have multiple set up. And we've got all of our stuff sitting right here. So if we click on Wednesdays, popular right now, and I don't know, let's see, I think we can click right there. Yeah. Turn on our volume. And there's our trailer. Sounds pretty good with the Alpine system in the Jeep. So looks pretty good to me. And then we can go back and we can go to, say, Stranger Things. And it's automatically in full screen mode now. Of course, it's a little daylight outside.
Is there a number we can call?
But there we go. There's Stranger Things on the screen in the Jeep. Pardon the dust on it. I should have cleaned it first. But working perfect. So again, click right on it, hit back to get out of it. Everything's working really quickly. Hit home. Now you're back to here as well. So everything's working great. We'll check out some of the settings and everything, but so far very quick and responsive. So if you go into settings, you can personalize your startup and navigation. You can go into see your storage, all your themes and font displays, your network and hotspot and everything, your wallpaper display, all the stuff that you would expect from an Android operating system. So good to go there. Yeah, this thing's working really good. So another quick note, like I was mentioning earlier, you have the two add here, and you can customize this screen in the settings and your wallpaper and the setup. Really got a lot of customization. Of course, it has all your last used apps over here, so our YouTube and Netflix, and then we just went into settings. You can hit back, but you can also click on the add button here. Oh, I missed it. Add. And now it goes into your installed apps on the device and your phone and whatnot, so you can add more. And, oh, sorry, I didn't hit the button. Yeah, so you can go in there and pick from what you've got. You can install more, go into settings, and then you can update all your apps and stuff from here in your Play Store. And so we could add TikTok if we wanted to, and now there we are on the home screen. TikTok's up there as well. I'm not a big TikToker, but if you are, you got it right here with this device as well. Alright, so we got the adapter plugged in, everything's working great. So we're going to click on Android Auto because unfortunately we're not Apple people. So we're Android Auto, should work the same for Apple CarPlay regardless, but let's go ahead and click right into Android Auto. Loads up very quickly. You've got all your navigation, you've got your aerial imagery, and however you have it set up on your particular device or phone, but that was very quick, no delay or lag whatsoever. You've got all your usual stuff over here for your YouTube music, your phone calls, all your apps and everything that you can add. Of course, you can go right into the other apps. So here's all the phone stuff. Now I'm on a little bit older phone, Samsung S21 Ultra, so it might work even better with a newer phone, but you can add everything you want to just like normal through all your Android Auto stuff on here, settings, customization, everything. Then if you want to get back to the home screen, you can just click the exit button on here and it'll jump right back to the home screen. So now you're back to your settings, Bluetooth music, everything else, Netflix and YouTube. Then of course you can just return right back to your media, and it's set on my Bluetooth media right now. You can go back to all your satellite and everything and all your functions, back to CarPlay. Here you are again, jump right back into Android Auto, and you can see just how fast everything's switching around and no lag or delay whatsoever. Of course, you can hit your directions, talk through your phone. All your normal Android Auto functions are right there, ready to go for you. So guys, I mean, that was a real quick, short and sweet video to show you the Autolinkr Pro that they sent out for us to review, unbox, and test for you. I'm pleasantly surprised for such a small little package, and you know, no frills or fancy as far as what's in the box. You don't need all that stuff anyway. Plug and play, up and running in a matter of minutes, connected to our wireless hotspot. You saw how easy it was to go ahead and set up, sign into your YouTube, Netflix accounts, what other video accounts you may have or streaming accounts, add it to your home screen. Android Auto works perfectly. Can't test out the Apple CarPlay for you guys, sorry about that, but I imagine if everything else works as smoothly and seamlessly as what we just showed you, you shouldn't have any trouble out of the Apple CarPlay either. I'm sure it works just perfect. So pretty powerful little receiver here. And again, I have a feeling if you have just regular wireless Android Auto and already built in, you can still use this device to stream your YouTube and Netflix and other videos on your screen, full size, high resolution. So you can still pick up one of these if you wanted to for that purpose. But if your car only has wired Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you can plug this in, convert it to wireless, and pick up all these extra streaming features and apps and everything else and customize it just how you want to, add on a lot of features to your existing car. So yeah, huge thank you to Autolinkr once again for sending this out for us to test and show you guys. I appreciate it. I'll leave all the links down below if you want to check these out on their website. Consider picking one up for yourself. Appreciate you guys hanging out with us as always. Hope you have a fantastic day. Hit the thumbs up if you would for us. Consider subscribing. We do all kinds of videos here, upgrades, mods, performance stuff to vehicles, reviews and unboxing, vacation and travel videos, so you may find something else you want to stick around on the channel for. Always appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.